This setup just has so much power. I just can't even believe it. Can't believe I forgot that. Wow. That just cost us a mile an hour or two. Whoa. Today, we are going to be running one guy, the biggest guy. Now, if you guys recall, last time we actually did 104 miles an hour without a parallel series setup. Now, that is very, very impressive and a huge jump for where we were prior. All right, now under this monstrosity, you guys can see we're still running that same TP motor. Well, I should probably get these little balance leads out of the way. Don't want them to be chopped up. You guys can see we have an NTF fan on top. I actually forgot the battery to plug in, but hopefully the heatsink will actually draw out enough heat to where it's actually going to help a little bit. So no harm, no foul with having it on. Now, as you guys can see, we have 2 batteries here and 2 batteries there. We are actually running our parallel 8S setup in this. Now, that's the same battery setup as what we ran 159 miles an hour in Spartan. So as we hit 104 miles an hour with only 2 batteries, I want to see what the difference will be with these guys. Unfortunately, I don't have another 2 of the 9500s, so these will make do for now. And we also took off the front splitter, so hopefully that can make a little bit of a difference. Being that I haven't ran Juggernaut in a very long time, I actually wanted to be sure that I had enough downforce and stability for the first time back out. So I think it did pretty well, so we took it off. Now, real quick, guys, if you want more updates on Juggernaut, Spartan, or any other of the speed builds of Innovation RC, be sure to follow Innovation RC on Instagram. You're going to see more pictures, videos, and other stuff. Sure, you guys already know, so go ahead and check it out. All right, here we go, guys. We're all zeroed out. This is Juggernaut V2, brand new setup, now with parallel. Let's see what it's got. All right, here we come, guys. There you go, guys. New PB, 108 miles an hour. Now, I did actually notice before I popped the hood, it was dancing. The 2 front tires were up a little bit. I might have to lower the front just a little bit. Schmuck me, guys. After the first run, I just realized why we were actually dancing all over the road. Well, I didn't exactly have the suspension set up for speed. If you guys recall, why he was actually not even running on road is because I actually took him off road. He looks very clean because I cleaned him, but I actually left the springs on after I limited the shocks, so it still couldn't go up that much, but the front end was raised up all the way. If you guys could see, that's pretty much the ride height that we were at the whole time, and the vehicle was pretty much bouncing, which is horrible. Now, if you guys could see, I'm gonna let go of this. That's the ride height that we need to be at. What I want to do now is run the same exact thing. Motor isn't too hot, so we're going to do another pass. And there's also going to be a run on these batteries already. So I'm not going to expect too much of a number, but I just want to see how much better it's going to handle just exactly like this without taking these silly things out. Can't believe I forgot that. Wow. That just cost us a mile an hour or 2. All right, guys, here we go. Last time I'm going to try it. That's what it's got. All right, here we come. There's a truck on the way. We're going. See what that was, guys. Ugh. There we go. A new milestone, 110 miles an hour. Holy moly. I can't believe that did it. We're running the TP5670 series motor, and I actually don't really have any room for an onboard battery anymore, so I'm actually going to hit it with the cooling fan right after. we go, and we are running 4 of the CNHL 6000 milliamp 70C 4S's. Tires that I was running, Gone Bananas Racing Skins by Rick Seffrood on Facebook. Handled amazing, very consistent at speed as well. Handy, if you're out there, thank you so much. This motor actually made a little bit of a difference, despite that it is a little bit warmer. It's not like insanely hot because I could keep my hand on it, but it's a little bit warmer than the Castle Creations 1100. Although we may have more efficiency with the Castle Creations motor, the TP motor will draw a little bit more amps. You know what? We actually needed a little bit more amps to get a little bit more speed. So technically a little bit higher of a KV motor actually got us to where we needed to be. So yeah, guys, unfortunately it's a necessary evil when it comes to KV and amp draw. In speed running, you need a little bit more. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more. We're gonna have more stuff with Juggernaut. Man, this body is so loud. Really happy with that milestone PB. Really happy with a 110 mile an hour run. Have a good one, guys.